Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best portable air conditioner on Amazon in 2026, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best portable air conditioners that can help keep your room cool and comfortable during hot weather. We've selected these models based on cooling capacity, room coverage, features, convenience, versatility, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So let's get started with number 1. Number 1. SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner and Heater. First on our list is the SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner and Heater. This is a versatile portable AC designed for rooms up to approximately 450 square feet. It combines several functions in one unit, including air conditioning, heating, dehumidifying, and fan operation. One of its standout features is Wi-Fi connectivity, which gives you convenient smart control. It also includes a remote control, making it easy to adjust settings from across the room. The included window mount kit makes installation more convenient, while the portable design allows you to move the unit when needed. With its combination of cooling and heating, this model can be useful throughout different seasons. The SereneLife is a strong all-around option for bedrooms, apartments, offices, and other medium-sized spaces. The 10,000 BTU capacity gives it more cooling power than many smaller portable AC units, while the additional heating and dehumidifying functions make it more versatile. Pros: 10,000 BTU cooling capacity. Covers up to approximately 450 square feet. Cooling, heating, fan, and dehumidifier functions. Wi-Fi functionality. Remote control included. Window mount kit included. Cons: larger than some compact portable AC units. May require more floor space. Overall, the SereneLife 10,000 BTU is a great choice if you want one portable appliance that can provide cooling, heating, dehumidification, and fan operation. Number 2. Easy DIY 12,000 BTU Mini-Split AC and Heat Pump. Coming in at number 2 is the Easy DIY 12,000 BTU Mini-Split AC and Heat Pump. This model is different from the other products on our list because it is a mini-split system rather than a traditional roll-around portable AC. It provides 12,000 BTU of cooling capacity and also works as a heat pump, giving you both cooling and heating functionality. The system operates on 115-volt power and features an 18 SEER2 efficiency rating. If your priority is stronger and more permanent climate control, this system can be a compelling choice. The mini-split design can provide dedicated cooling and heating for a room or living space, while the heat pump functionality makes it useful beyond the summer months. The DIY-oriented design is also intended to make installation more accessible compared with some traditional mini-split systems. Pros: 12,000 BTU capacity, cooling and heating functionality, 18 SEER2 efficiency rating, 115-volt operation, more permanent solution than a portable AC, suitable for year-round climate control. Cons: not designed to be moved between rooms like a portable AC, installation is required. The Easy DIY 12,000 BTU Mini-Split is a good choice if you want more powerful dedicated cooling and heating and don't need the portability of a traditional floor-standing AC. Number 3. Antarctic Star Portable Air Conditioner. At number 3 is the Antarctic Star Portable Air Conditioner. This model offers 8,000 BTU of cooling and is designed to cool spaces up to approximately 350 square feet. One of its biggest highlights is the 5-in-1 design. It provides cooling, dehumidification, fan operation, sleep mode, and timer functionality. The auto swing feature helps distribute air around the room, while the child lock feature can provide additional convenience for families. The Antarctic Star is designed with bedrooms and apartments in mind. The multiple operating modes give you flexibility depending on the weather and your comfort needs. For example, you can use full cooling during hot afternoons, fan mode when temperatures are more comfortable, and sleep or timer mode at night. Pros: 8,000 BTU cooling capacity. Designed for spaces up to approximately 350 square feet. 5-in-1 functionality. Cooling and dehumidifier modes. Fan mode. Sleep and timer modes. Auto swing. Child lock. Cons:
better suited for smaller and medium-sized rooms. 8,000 BTU capacity may not be ideal for very large spaces. Overall, the Antarctic Star is a versatile choice for bedrooms, apartments, and medium-sized rooms, especially if you want several useful operating modes in one portable unit. Number 4. DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S. Moving to number 4 is the DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S. This smart portable AC features an 8,000 BTU ASHRAE rating and a 5,000 BTU DOE rating. It combines 3 functions in one unit: air conditioning, fan, and dehumidifier. One of its biggest advantages is smart control. You can control the unit through the DREO app, voice commands, or the included remote control. The drainage-free cooling design can also make everyday operation more convenient under appropriate humidity conditions. Another important feature is its quiet operation, making it a particularly attractive option for bedrooms, offices, and other indoor spaces where noise can be distracting. The DREO 318S focuses heavily on smart convenience and smart home functionality. Instead of relying only on buttons on the unit, you have multiple ways to control it. The combination of cooling, fan, and dehumidifying also means you can use the appliance for different comfort needs. Pros: 8,000 BTU ASHRAE rating, 5,000 BTU DOE rating, smart app control, voice control, remote control, cooling, fan, and dehumidifier functions, quiet operation, drainage-free cooling design. Cons: better suited for smaller rooms. Cooling capacity is lower under the DOE rating than the ASHRAE rating suggests. If smart controls, quiet operation, and convenient everyday use are your priorities, the DREO 318S is a strong option to consider. Number 5. DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S. And finally, at number 5, we have another listing for the DREO Portable Air Conditioner 318S. According to the product information you provided, this is the same 318S model featured at number 4 with an 8,000 BTU ASHRAE rating and a 5,000 BTU DOE rating. It offers the same 3-in-1 functionality, combining air conditioning, fan, and dehumidifier modes. The unit also supports app, voice, and remote control, giving you several convenient ways to operate it. Its quiet design makes it suitable for bedrooms and other indoor areas where maintaining a comfortable noise level is important. Since number 4 and number 5 appear to be the same DREO 318S model, the main thing to compare between these two Amazon listings is the current price, availability, seller, and included offer. The actual product features should be very similar because both listings identify the same model. Pros: 8,000 BTU ASHRAE rating, 5,000 BTU DOE rating, smart app control, voice control, remote control, cooling, fan, and dehumidifier functions, quiet operation, drainage-free cooling design. Cons: better suited for smaller rooms. Cooling capacity is lower under the DOE rating than the ASHRAE rating suggests. The DREO 318S is a convenient, smart, portable AC, but because number 4 and number 5 are the same model in your list, compare both Amazon listings carefully to see which one offers the better current deal. So, which portable air conditioner should you choose? For the best overall portable option, the SereneLife 10,000 BTU stands out because of its combination of cooling, heating, dehumidifying, fan operation, Wi-Fi functionality, and larger room coverage. If you want a more permanent cooling and heating solution, the easy DIY 12,000 BTU mini split is worth considering. For a versatile portable AC designed for rooms up to approximately 350 square feet, the Antarctic Star 8,000 BTU is a solid option. And if smart controls, quiet operation, and convenient everyday use are your priorities, the DREO 318S is an excellent choice. Before buying, make sure to check the manufacturer's recommended room size and the latest specifications, price, and availability on Amazon. So guys, those were the top 5 best portable air conditioners on Amazon in 2026. I hope this video helped you find the right air conditioner for your home, bedroom, apartment, or office. You can find the product links in the description below, where you can check the latest prices and availability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.